platforms. Let me just show you how to gain access to one. It's like a universal standard. So once you understand one, then you understand all. It has a dashboard URL that ends with WP admin. Let me type it here. WordPress has a URL, a dashboard URL that ends with WP admin. This ends with WP admin. So for example, if your website domain is abby.com, abby.com, if your website domain is abby.com and you want to log into the dashboard URL, you want to log into the backend so you can go there, edit content and whatever, you'll be needing a URL that ends with WP admin. So that will be abby.com / WP admin. That's the login part. Do we understand? Is this clear? Okay, let's try to that. So with that understanding, then we'll now know that if we want to access childlaw.co.uk, we'll have to add WP admin, to the end of the domain, right? Or after the domain, childlaw.co.uk / WP admin. Good. Then you have access to the login area. This is what it looks like. Once you have access to this, what you'll be needing next will be your username and your password, which I'll be creating for you. I'll create your username and password and send to you. As soon as you get your username and password, this is where you come to. You enter your username or email address because you're going to provide me your email address, and then you create a username, or I can create one for you. You provide me the email address, then I'll create the username. All are correct. If your username is correct and then your password is correct as well, you will be logged in successfully just like this. And this is what you will see. Yeah, I think this is another checkpoint. So please identify if you did not understand anything. If there was anything you didn't understand, please let me know.